Ravi's International School. Trust assured for your child. A sprawling, safe and home-like campus for residential and day scholars. Call 7331
So how come in Hyderabad?
Shooting for a remake of Kartika Deepam. It's a very famous Telugu show that I've heard.
Like the main role you're playing, the real name?
So basically my character name is Bhagyashree. I'm playing the lead's mother.
Yeah, Deepa is very famous.
Deepa, yeah. Her mother.
Okay. So we can call your like daughter.
Yes, sure. She's here only.
Kartikam Deepam is a very big show of South, very big. And now you're playing a role of a daughter.
I really feeling good to play this role, her daughter.
Welcome to Suman TV. I am your anchor Neha, and today I have very famous TV actress from North India, Ekta Kapoor ke Pavitra Rishta, well-known serials, and she is very famous. And now she's in Hyderabad. What she's doing, we'll find out. Welcome in Hyderabad, Pragati. It was a great meeting you.
Thank you.
And you've been doing a lot of work in North side, Hindi serials, very famous Hindi serials of Ekta Kapoor. You've been be part of it.
Yeah.
So how come in Hyderabad?
So basically, we are shooting for a remake of Kartika Deepam. It's a very famous Telugu show that I've heard. We are remaking in Star Plus called Shehzadi Hai Tu Dil Ki. So that's why we are shooting in Hyderabad. So we have moved to Hyderabad for this TV show especially.
For how many months you're here?
Till the show goes on, touch wood, if people like it, so it'll go on for a year, 2 years.
Till how many months you're here now?
I have been here since 3 months, 4 months now.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So it's a very big Telugu show, Kartikam Deepam. So when it came to your plate, like you were thinking, oh, let me do some Reiki, let me find out how the show is all about. Did you meet all the Kartik Deepam real star cast?
No, actually I haven't, but I really wanted to meet them because we are actually doing the same acting and playing the same thing that they have done in the original show. So I wanted to meet them, but I couldn't. I hope we meet them soon. But I didn't do any Reiki and stuff, but I was really excited because we had to move to Hyderabad. I have never been to Hyderabad before.
Oh.
So it was like, I wished for it, honestly.
But did you watch that serial in Telugu?
I did. The producers wanted us to watch the show because we had to, portray the same character which they played in the original series. So I did watch, and my character is pretty confident, and I'm from a rich family, and very strong character, very positive though.
So, I mean, there was like two beautiful girls and the character, like when you were watching the Telugu serial, did you learn their names, the character names? I mean, and which is your favorite one?
वैसे तो हमारे our names are exactly from the original show. So my favorite character would be my daughter only. Deepa and Kanika both.
Deepa and Kanika, okay.
Yeah, so they both are my favorite.
Okay, and then when you were relating, you were watching the serial, what exactly you loved about the serial and the acting part? What do you loved it?
I actually love that they're very organic, they're very raw and real. That's what I loved about them, and that's what I'm trying to portray here in this, because I think in Hindi we are a more polished version of the characters, but definitely I'll portray the raw and the real version.
So what is your, like the main role you're playing, the real name?
So basically my character name is Bhagyashree. I'm playing the lead's mother, the positive lead, the actress Deepa and Kanika, both of them. Ek to
Yeah, Deepa is very famous.
Deepa, yeah. They are.
So you're playing that role of like
Bhagyashree, her mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how the like all these artists they are all coming from Hyderabad, or like they are coming from North for other like
other characters,
cast,
yeah.
of the
So
serial.
the one who's playing my husband, Rohit ji hai unka naam. He is from Kerala, and the Deepa, who is playing Deepa, Ashika Padukone, is from Bangalore, and others are from Bombay.
आशिका पादुकोण दीपिका की वो तो ऐसे लग रहा है दीपिका की बहन तो नहीं
मैंने
है.
भी सोचा था, but no.
She is a sports
yeah.
person. उनकी शादी भी होने वाली है. So वही पहले आया कह रहा है बैंगलोर से हैं पादुकोण.
Might be, but no.
So how was your relation like? How you're enjoying the time, the script, And what's going on like?
So, first of all, this is my first time here shooting in Telangana, and our whole team, our whole unit, back screen unit is from Telangana only.
Oh,
Yeah.
The producer, director. The
Yeah,
same?
yeah, yeah. Same producer.
So
Who-
means Kartika Deepam, directors, producer, they're all same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only the script of Hindi
and
and
the actors,
characters,
हाँ,
actors
हाँ.
have changed. Okay.
But it's a great opportunity because I'm also learning Telugu now. I don't know a lot of things,
Good.
but I am learning.
But why now you're learning it? How your coordination with the directors and producers? Are they able to explain you well?
So yeah, they try to, and even we try to explain ourselves, but we are trying to manage. There is a accent difference, I would say. So we are now we are going with the flow. Now we're trying to understand. Okay, this is how they speak. So now we are understanding the accent, and I would say the way we talk here in South and North are very different.
Very different,
different. So I think it's good only.
But how you see this trend? Mostly what happened, the Telugu movies, they've been dubbed in Hindi are dubbed in Telugu. But this is a time when a popular serial, it's properly, they are doing it, not doing dubbing, they are getting proper the artist,
Yeah.
proper everything is done, and for the Hindi serial. How you see that new trend?
It is actually nice because I never liked dubbed movies. I
Okay.
did not like it. It loses the flavor of the film. So I think this is a very great initiative that they are remaking the whole serial in Hindi.
Even the Pavitra Rishta, Sushant Singh, that was
Yeah.
a very popular show where you were a part of it.
I was part of the web show,
Okay,
the web
web show.
series, the web series
Web
2.0, which
Okay.
was on Z5.
But that also, I think now we are seeing so many, Hindi serials, they've been dubbed in Telugu.
Ha.
Have you seen some of them?
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I don't understand the language, so no
Okay,
point.
but that's also a new trend coming up,
Yeah.
where we're seeing Hindi serials popular, they've been dubbed in Telugu. So people watch it.
That's nice.
So what about the movies part? If we talk about South Indian movie, maybe after this, you would love to be part of Telugu movies.
Yes, definitely. I'm dying to be a part of Telugu movies because I love the films here. They are great stories. So I want to be a part of it. I was trying to find some contacts also, If someone is watching, please cast me.
Go good. And your favorite actors and actors, you love their work. You can compliment them.
Well, South ka I haven't seen much honestly, but
Actors, you must be knowing. They're very famous. Come on, don't tell me.
इतने
जोर
नहीं.
का झटका धीरे से लगे ऐसा लग रहा है.
हाँ नहीं इतना मैंने देखा ही नहीं है ऑनेस्टली बचपन से आई वॉच मोस्टली इंग्लिश फिल्म्स
Okay.
तो आई हैवंट सीन मच हिंदी
You
फिल्म्स
aware about
आल्सो
the Mahesh Babu, Allu Arjun,
आई हैव
Julia?
सीन देम बट
Okay.
इतना रेगुलरली मैंने उनको नहीं देखा है
Okay, you've
आई हैव
been
सीन
on
देयर फिल्म्स
films.
थोड़े बिट्स एंड पीसेस में आई हैव सीन देयर फिल्म्स इफ
Like
समवन इज
Pushpa
वाचिंग
was there.
या
Actors
वो तो
तो
बहुत ग्रैंड है ये लोग तो
Yeah,
बहुत
that's a Telugu movie.
या
So what about the actresses?
सेम आई डोंट वॉच हिंदी सिनेमा और रीजनल सिनेमास मच मोस्टली मैंने इंग्लिश ही देखी है बट आई वांट टू वॉच इट नाउ
So any experience with Ekta Kapoor? You met her and
I
you
haven't
know?
met her yet, but I've been told that I do look like her somewhat. When I
मैं बोलने वाली थी
Yeah,
मेरे
you know,
मुंह की
and-
बातचीत. So much like Ekta Kapoor. Why? I mean,
no, I haven't met her, but yeah, a lot of people tell me I do look like her.
Yeah,
so
the
I can
expressions.
maybe play her younger part in some biography of
do you
hers.
do mimicry of Ekta Kapoor? No.
No, I don't. I don't.
What are your hobbies like?
I love swimming. I was into sports earlier when I was in school, and I love trekking. I love dancing also. I used to learn Bharatnatyam when I was a kid. So yeah,
Mimicry also you do sometimes, no? But you were doing so good. I can see that.
I was like just making the expression.
Like yeah, I'm just feel like I'm with Ekta Kapoor. She must watch this, right?
Yeah, she has to.
So in Bollywood actresses or actor you love and you try to do something with, like, you have any craze about that?
Honestly, I'll tell you, I'm a very simple girl. I just want
How
to.
you came to this acting? I think if not an actress, then what was?
I would be a psychologist because I did psychology.
Oh my God, that's very important nowadays. The kind of mental awareness
Yes.
and the depressions are happening. What do you say in the industry when it happens? How you feel this?
See, I think we actors take professional and personal life very seriously. Matlab, they mix both of the lives. I think they should be kept different. if we are in our professional life, we shouldn't take it to our personal lives.
Yeah, true.
Keep it very separate, because you shouldn't take everything to heart. And nowadays
Good
I've seen
advice.
people, they take everything to heart, they don't let go. So basically I just tell everyone, let go, everything will be fine.
Wow. And I think it will be most awaited serial, I must say.
Yes.
So we can call your like daughter.
Yes, sure, she's here only.
Please come. And you're from Bangalore, right?
No,
No.
she's from Bombay.
She's from Bombay.
I'm from Amritsar, Punjab.
You look
And
like
it's been-
Punjabi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's been 6 years in Mumbai now.
Okay. So what you were doing before? TV serials?
Yeah, I've done Punjabi shows as well in
Oh.
Chandigarh only.
Oh wow! And what about this Kartikam Deepam is a very big show of South, you know, very big. And now you're playing a role of a daughter. Did you watch that serial before doing that?
To be honest, मैंने इतना शो नहीं देखा है, but I really feeling good to play this role, being a daughter. और मैं ये कहूंगी कि हम दोनों की जोड़ी भी बहुत अच्छी है.
You're enjoying the company,
Yeah,
right?
They have a good compatibility.
ऑफ स्क्रीन तो बहुत मजा कर रहे हैं हम फिलहाल, बट अभी इतनी स्टोरी आगे बढ़ी नहीं है जो मैं बता सकूं कि आगे क्या होगा.
Same ही होगा क्योंकि
हाँ.
main
You know,
suspense for the north side. I
Yeah,
think.
north side.
All about TRP, right?
Yeah.
तो आगे का कुछ कह नहीं सकते हैं.
So you're playing a role of Kanika, right?
कनिका नेगेटिव रोल आई एम प्लेइंग.
So are you liking it? I mean, like कैसा लग रहा है? Like is it
सी इससे पहले मैंने जितने भी शोज किए हैं मैंने नेगेटिव रोल ही
because of your eyes?
या यू कैन से दैट.
हाँ.
या तो
So your eyes are very
screen में मेरी
expressive.
आईज लाइक नेगेटिव हो जाती है.
Okay. So एक कुछ dialogue, something you can just Kanika relate हो जाए. कनिका जो
अभी
रियल
ना-
कनिका जब देखे तो ऐसे
See,
लगे यार
अभी
टक्कर की
कनिका
आ
का
गई है
जो-
कोई.
कनिका का जो रियल रूप है
आया नहीं है.
रिवील नहीं किया है, तो अभी मैं बहुत स्वीट सावित्री बन के घूम रही हूँ घर पे.
Okay. So how, I mean, अभी ये serial, after this serial, what's your plan? Will you like to go for some Telugu movies? Or you have a love for doing Telugu movies?
Absolutely. I'm looking for these like projects also.
Mm-hmm.
अगर साउथ की मूवी हो जाए तो फिर और बढ़िया है.
इनको तो खैर इतना पता नहीं है एक्टर्स के बारे में. You तो must be knowing यार some Telugu actors.
एक्चुअली मेरी रोल मॉडल जो है वो श्रीदेवी जी,
Wow.
जो साउथ से ही है.
हाँ.
और काफी इंस्पायर हुई हूँ मैं उनसे.
और एक्टर?
एक्टर तो लेजेंड.
Whom you love to meet, and I mean, if you want to work with from South, you love them.
देखो श्रीदेवी जी से
वो तो हो गई.
अलावा
हाँ.
मेरे को
हाँ. हम आप पूछ रहे हैं मेल.
Male actor.
मेल. ओके.
Vijay Devarkonda, you were
Oh.
saying. वो तो heartthrob है, even I like him honestly. Ali Arjun.
अभी तक तो कोई पता नहीं था.
नहीं वो उन्हें पता है, मुझे ऐसा नहीं, पर उनके बारे में अगर आप बहुत पूछेंगे तो वो नहीं पता.
So Vijay Devarkonda.
हाँ, I like
What?
him.
You?
Allu Arjun. हाँ.
अभी मम्मी से पूछ रही है, देखो वो करेक्टर
Good daughter.
I think she's already
ऑफ स्क्रीन भी मेरी मम्मी बहुत अच्छी तरह बनती है, जो ये टॉन्ट्स
Taking
मारती है
care.
मुझे. मैं बोलती हूँ यार मम्मी तो है नहीं अभी.
कमरा ठीक नहीं किया है, खाना टाइम गेट गंदा है, वो अच्छा है.
तो आई एम लाइकिंग इट. मुझे मजा आता है इसके साथ रह के. एंड शी इज support system all the time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it was really wonderful jodi, I must say. I mean, it will be a big hit because Kartikam Deepam in South it already made a dhamaka.
Please ask her how
Yeah.
she's feeling with me as well.
Yeah. No, she was only telling me that, you know, I loved her being with her.
No, I think I'll have to think about it.
Oh
how
my
I'm feeling
God,
with
see?
her.
ये होकर माँ का जवाब.
वो कभी ज्यादा नहीं बोलती है.
हाँ.
प्यार दिल में होता है.
दिल में होता है, बताना नहीं बस.
But I think after when is the release you're planning? Like अभी तो shooting चल रही है.
No, it's already on air.
It's on air.
7-8 episodes, 8-9 episodes are out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how the response is? You must tell us.
The TRP is good. 1.4.
1.4.
Oh, so it's
1.4.
going already.
It's opening already.
Good opening.
So till the time, you know, the episodes will go, you have to be in Hyderabad, I
Yes.
think.
Yeah, all over.
So how many episodes they are planning? Any idea? Like?
Abhi to they are already doing second season Kartika Deepam. They have shot for 500 episodes.
So I think so more to go.
Yeah, many more to go now.
It's all about.
So इनका second home I think of Hyderabad ही हो गया because of Kartikam Deepam serial. I
अभी
must
खैर
say.
इतना एक्सप्लोर किया नहीं है हैदराबाद.
We have to
but
explore,
really
yeah.
want to.
And the food place, have you explored? Nothing.
We have had biryanis. but I can have these biryanis every day, honestly.
My
so
mother
tasty.
is non-vegetarian and her daughter is vegetarian.
Oh, what a
So-
combo.
इनको तो मिल जाता है.
In veg also, Hyderabad is very popular.
We,
So do you able to have kebabs? You can have veg biryani. सब मिलता है veg. Don't worry.
I know, but
You'll
the
get
taste,
Punjabi
you know,
food also.
northern
Yeah.
taste.
Yeah.
I'm looking for वो नहीं मिलता.
वो नहीं मिलता,
खुद
हाँ,
ही
North Indian
we have to
taste.
cook.
Okay, so you're cooking yourself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
कनिका खुद खाना बना रही हैं.
कनिका की माँ भी. On screen भी, off screen भी.
Wow, I think अभी जब I must say this should reach out to the Karthikam Deepam star ka. They should be happy to see that the same character they will see in
Yeah.
on the Hindi side.
Yeah.
So that will be a really great. So I think best of luck for you, and
Thank
we
you so
also
much.
wanted के आपके जब 25 सेल जुबरी हो 50 हो 100 हो then we'll do more of your interviews and it will be
फिर तो आपको सेट पे आना पड़ेगा.
वो
हाँ,
वो
you have to come on
exactly we'll
set,
do a
yeah.
set
Yeah.
we'll do the set interview with
Yes.
you. So thank you so much,
Thank
Pragati,
you,
and thank you. Your real name was
सान्या खेरा.
Sanna Khera. Wow, your name भी कितना
Yes.
normal नहीं है. What that means?
Sanya means like it's brilliant.
Okay, Sanna
Wow,
Khera.
that's why she's so
see,
confident
Very
with her
different
life.
name, right?
It's
Yeah.
Arabic name.
Oh,
Arabic name.
Arabic and Muslim you can say.
Oh,
So it's yeah.
very nice. So thank you so much. So I just want you to end by saying both of you something. आपका favorite कोई dialogue या जैसे वो मतलब अभी ना तो एकता कपूर का कुछ कर दिया था, but something you can end up.
एकता मैम. जी मैम मुझे काम दे दो मैम.
It was good. दे देंगे आपकी
प्लीज
कौन
मैं चाहती
favorite?
हूँ कि मैम खुद देखें. एकता मैम प्लीज वॉच.
Yeah. And what is your favorite? Like you act or sometimes you love doing that.
अभी तक तो नेगेटिव रोल ही प्ले कर रही हूँ. सो या नेगेटिव.
Very nice. Thank you so much talking
Thank
to
you.
us. It was wonderful talking to you.
You
Thank
too.
you so
Yeah.
much.
For more updates, keep watching Suman TV. Till then, goodbye.